Hello, beautiful cook. We're with the Cook Along series from Veet's Vegan Cooking Book, Veet's Vegan Cuisine, page 103. We're making mutter, which is peas, palak, which is silver beet or spinach, and we're going to add mushrooms with it. So I've chopped up, because part of it's going to be blended, everything in here has been chopped up roughly. In the cookbook, I say to blend this and make a paste. Stuff that. Let's go for easy. So there's in here garlic, onion. Look, it's really chopped big, and some coriander and mint. A lot less coriander than it says. So the onions, garlic, ginger, and mint and coriander is in there. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not adding water. I'm going to add the spices. So I've got a full teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to add, because I like chili, add a big heat teaspoon of chili, and love coriander. That's not in the book. Coriander's not in the book, but I love it in the palak. And then just give that a minute. And then we're going to add, the recipe says 2 bunches of spinach. I didn't have 2 bunches of spinach, but I got lots of greens growing in my garden. So I'm just going to add those. Bok choy, kale, and other Asian greens. So that's about 2 bunches. So that's all going to be stuffed in there. And many would think, how's that going to fit? But people who cooked spinach before, you'll know that it wilts down to nothing. And we're going to add some salt, a teaspoon of salt, and then put that on. Oh, we don't want that. That's a piece of grass. Put that on and leave that for 5 minutes, and that will cook down. Okay, it's cooked. So it's all cooked. It's all cooked down there. That took just over 5 minutes. And then I'm now going to zhuzh it. Zhuzhing is a technical term in Veet's Vegan Cooking School. And that just means to blend it down. So I've got this, and we're just going to make it until it might splash around. We're just going to make it until it's nice and processed. Okay, I finished zhuzhing, and you like to see that you could make it creamier than that, but Mac and I both like texture, so we're just going to leave it like that. So we're putting that back on the stove, and then I've got 200 grams of mushrooms cut up, so they're going in to that. And then we've got our peas, and lots of peas, because we like mutter. Mutter is peas, and I've got frozen peas here, and they're organic. And I don't really like getting things in these bags, but at least we can reuse that. So we probably use that bag, 20, 30, 40 times again. And this is going to take a good 8 minutes to cook. To be on the safe side, I'm just going to add some water, because it can be a more liquid curry than the curry we made 2 weeks ago. And then we're going to put in the garam masala, and we want to put in 2 teaspoons of that. So we just got 2 teaspoons of the garam masala, and then in 5 to 8 minutes, that'll be cooked and ready to eat. And once again, it doesn't have enough complete protein. So making that paneer that we made last week and adding it to it would be magical. It's ready. It's not the prettiest looking of dishes, but it's delicious. And I just whipped up some of the tofu, the marinated tofu that we made last week, and I'm going to add that into it. And then it is palak, paneer, mutter, mushroom. Bon appetit! Hello, wonderful cook. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments, and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free Iron Rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.